It's a very short paper. I think I think the limit was around 3,000 words. This is around 2,500 words. Okay. So this is fairly easier to write. So I suggest that those of you who are new can start writing a short paper. Okay. Then I have an article. I'll show an article. Okay. So this is an article which I had written on. So what, for example, what I had written in the earlier paper, which was the evaluation of legibility for Devanagari typefaces, was that evaluated Devanagari typefaces for on-screen legibility. Okay. So there was no methodological innovation in it because I had used a very standard method to evaluate. Okay. So what I was showing was only significant findings, in the sense what are the findings for Devanagari. So there was no generalization as such. Okay. So the only claim that I had made over there was that in English, apparently monolinear fonts have better legibility on screen as against in Devanagari, where we don't really see this differentiation. In a sense, in Devanagari, there's no differentiation between monolinear and thick-thin fonts. So since the claim was very small, the paper was very small. Okay. In this article, you should see, this article is essentially a compilation of what all people have done in the anatomy of Devanagari typefaces and my views on it. So I've just found gaps and I've left them out in the open. Okay, so if I go to the conclusion, most probably the first thing that people will read will be the conclusion, in a sense. So the conclusion is very shortish of sort. Okay, so the existing literature is limited. There are only few experts. Okay, and one can see a need. That's what I've said. Okay, there's differences in methods, blah blah blah. There are certain similarities. One can sense a need for unique analytical model. So I've just expressed a need and I've left it out open. Okay, which is why this is an article. Okay, there are no findings of. Sorry. So this is okay. Okay. So in the article there's no claim. There's just an expressed needs and there's a documentation of what people have done, and I've analyzed it a little bit. Okay. Now if you look at referencing over here, I haven't used referencing of the set, but I used footnotes. Okay. Okay. So when I okay. So if you see 10. Okay. So 10 is marked as a footnote, and